Hi guys, it's Sweet1967 here. How are you doing? Today we're looking at Tesco Scottish porridge oats. Now this is a new product for Tesco's, and apparently it's a source of beta glutens, which is also very good for your heart. Now I've been eating porridge now for the last 6 months, and I find this a lot nicer than the cheap stuff you can get out there, like the everyday value. I've got some cooking now in the pan. I thought I'll show you this. It's one of those products you might not have seen in the stores, but I find the taste a lot better, and it is genuinely made. It comes from Scotland, not other countries. So first thing, I'm going to just pour some out. And it comes in a large 2-kilogram bag. Now, a lot of old people eat porridge. Not only that, it's very good for your bowel movements and stuff like that. It's just generally, it's a very good porridge. It's good for energy. So I've had this on for a little bit. I'm now going to just pause this video and I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. Okay, it started cooking a bit. Now all I've done is I've put some salt in there as well. And what you've got to do is bring it to the boil, and you've got to leave it for a couple of minutes to thicken up. So that's what I'm going to do. You can just see now that it's starting to thicken. I use about 3 of these. Okay, the porridge should be now cooked. So that's what you're looking for. So I will pop that straight back into the bowl. So now that's in there, what I recommend is getting some Demerara sugar. Pop that on there. Maybe a little bit of milk if you want. And that's it, simple as that. Fast food, on the go. It took me 2 minutes to make that, and that's it. So look out for this product in a store. It's really tasty, very wholesome and really good for you. Low fat. Why not give it a try? Thanks guys for watching, and girls, and have a great day, and I appreciate you viewing. If you like this, why not check out my channel. See you soon.